Welcome back everyone. Today is the second day of our Python Django web application development tutorials. The last two we have discussed about Django installation, and after running the server we are going to learn about Django URLs and Django Views. I have run the server already. So at first here we need the Visual Studio Code application to be installed on our PC. This application, you can download it from its official website. Let me show you. Okay, so from here, this is the link of its official website. Okay, so from here you can download it on your PC. So now let's head into this topic. We can open VS Code in multiple ways. Like from here, I can open this way, or I can open it by this command. It opens VS Code. Okay, so another way we can open the folder in VS Code is this way. Okay, so there are three ways. Now we are going to learn about Django URLs and views. Here we can see there is the urls.py file, but there is no views.py file. So we are going to create the file here. The name views.py. At first, from Django.shortcuts, import HTTP response. Okay, so now we are going to write a function here named home request parameter, and now we are going to return HTTP response. Okay, the response will be like there will be written that this is the home page. Okay, now we are going to introduce this function to urls.py, and we need to make a new URL path here. Okay, so inside this quotation mark we are going to write our path here, like the URL. We are going to write here home. The slash is not mandatory here, and we are going to introduce our views.py's home function here. We are going to write from my project folder, this folder, from my project import views. Okay, we have imported this file here, and now we are going to connect our home function here. Views.home. This was our function, our home function. So now we are going to check if it's working. We need to run our server, python manage.py run server. Okay, copy this and paste here. Oh, sorry, we need to write /home here. Okay, and now it's working. That's it for today, and if you want to join our Discord community server, the link is given in the description below. I hope you learned something valuable here. Until next time, happy coding.